Hello, this is Chris with toolrank.com. I want to do a quick video of the Staedtler Graphite 771 mechanical pencil. This pencil costs around $10. You can find it online on eBay. It's around $15 with shipping. Some of the features, well, the main reason I like this pencil is because of the thick lead. This uses a thicker 1.3 millimeter lead versus, your typical mechanical pencils 0.7 millimeter or 0.5 millimeter. So it's thicker, so it won't break as easy while you're working. Here's a thickness comparison: 1.3 millimeter versus 0.7 millimeter. Some of the features that are nice of this pencil: for one, you can see it's triangular, so it won't roll. You don't have to worry about it rolling off your bench or your work table. Another nice feature is the eraser that grows when you twist the top. So while you're working, you don't have to worry about the eraser. You just twist it, get a little more, twist it, get a little more, get a little less. The eraser can also be completely removed, so you can add lead. A nice safety feature, you can see that there's a metal point. Look, when you push it, it pushes in, so you don't have to worry about stabbing your leg or your clothes getting caught up if you have it in your pocket. Size wise, here's a comparison of the Staedtler 771 versus a carpenter's pencil and the typical 0.7 millimeter mechanical pencil. Here's a tip comparison of all three pencils: 0.7 millimeter at the top, 1.3 millimeter Staedtler 771 in the middle, and a typical carpenter's pencil on the bottom. The Staedtler 771 is bigger than I'm normally used to, but the triangle design makes it easy to grip onto, and it's easy to write with. Included in the package for $10 is the Staedtler pencil, 2 additional erasers, and a vial of 6 extra lead. Thanks for watching.